vacation in the morning.
I'm only out here for 3 days. So we had a great day coming in yesterday. We are heading out to do a little fishing. But don't expect too much because honestly, I am not good at fishing. I'm trying to get better. But I think it's going to take some serious effort. Maybe a few people show me what to do so that I can get her down pat. But we have an awesome site. The bugs are a little rough, but as you can see, the guys are getting ready to head out as well. Doing a little solo paddling this morning. The water is clear, super clear here. Here's the beaver dam between Maple Lake and Bear Lake. It's good. 3 feet in elevation change in the water, so those things are powerful. Look at the water they're holding back.
Thinking moose, boys. There he is in his natural habitat. You can see the camera work is in process. These Daves like to do that to survive. It's how they thrive, actually.
This is a little creek we found that was along the side of the lake, so we decided to check it out. It opened up into an old dried up pond where a beaver dam had been, but had broken free.
I'm not sure it's working well. Frog.
Like you paused.
I did. I paused off it.
For dramatic effect.
I like moving slowly through a bush.
Yeah, I don't think.
Whether it's a trail or a real trail or not, who knows, but
Well, I think this
would have been a great lake to paddle down and make the site.
Yeah, look, there's a beaver dam there. See it?
Way down there?
Just there.
Yeah.
And then after that, there's a lake.
Well, it looks like we have a nice rocky shore. You want to keep hiking? For a little bit? Not too far?
Well, it looks kind of muddy to me.
Well, that's why I said not too far. I ain't getting my feet muddy. But I'm willing to follow rocks. In fact, I quite like bare rocks.
See a way through?
A rock there. Looks like could be old shoreline. Gotta get through the muck though. Don't see a good way. A way maybe, not a good way. I forgot to stay still, by the way.
That's not good, eh? Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to make Bushman's coffee. My way, anyway. Give you a little insight on it. So what I like to do is I'll take some lake water, fill it up, obviously to whatever much you're going to need for your group. And then have your ground coffee ready. I like to start to get this going, but you don't want it hot when you go to add your grinds. So I usually do a good layer over the whole top, and then we'll get it percolating. Now I've got these on fine grind. That way a little bit more of the flavor comes through. Now you don't want to mix this in and you don't want to stir it. You want to kind of just let the water as it boils to bring it in on its own. Now I like my coffee strong. Put one more in for good measure. Then once it starts to boil, cover it up, lower the heat right down, and then let it sit for how long you want to make it. So the longer you sit, the stronger it's going to be. Alright guys, I'll see you when it's ready. Alright folks, we're close. It's just about to boil. And I like to wait and see that all the grinds are blended into the water before I put the lid on. Alright, now I've cut the heat way down, so it has a nice rolling boil. I'll just cover that up for a little bit. And then I'll show you the next step in a few minutes. Alright, so as you can see, it's starting to look like coffee. It's blended pretty good, so I'm going to cut the heat all the way. I usually put it down on somewhere cold like a rock. So then the trick to this is, you might be thinking, well, how am I going to avoid all the grinds that are in there? I don't like to chew my coffee. Well, there's a trick to that. Use a little bit of room temperature water, or cold if you have it, and you just drizzle it over the top, and that will shock the grinds to the bottom. And then you let it sit for a minute or two, and then that will pretty much be ready to drink. And I'll show you when I pour it into a cup. In a minute. Ready to try to pour this? Oops. And just like that, no grinds. There you go, Lee. Pour number 2. And there's all the grinds, everybody. Still at the bottom. I'll give you some of mine, Chris, just because it took a lot.
Oh, it's okay. I appreciate it.
All right. Cheers.
Smooth, bold, and delicious.
Question is, are there grinds in it?
No, I haven't tasted any grains.
Perfect. What do you think, Todd?
I haven't had mine yet.
Better get in there.
I do find it's slightly less bitter.
That's good.
Ooh, that's hot.
Yep.
You're gonna need another minute for this take.
All right. What do you think, Chris?
Delicious.
Perfect.
And here's Dave's Bushman coffee. Delicious.
Nice. Is there any grinds in it?
No, not so far. Here, take a look.
Excellent. Got a few questions for you, buddy.
What's up?
Do you prefer base camping, which we're doing right now, or do you prefer moving from campsite to campsite throughout the lakes?
I definitely prefer base camping because we get to kind of set up, get a home, build some stairs, get a nice fire pit, and then you can go out, you can explore, take the day, you know, check out there's a little dry lake that we found up the way, and just take your time, go explore all the sites.
So what's your favorite thing about backcountry camping?
Definitely the guys and the food. We had a grill set up there, had some nice burgers. Oh, dying like kings out here. Never thought that'd be a thing growing
We had
up.
some curry tonight, Caribbean curry. The bugs are now coming out. They must have smelt the food.
Yep. I heard the menu was open.
We might be hunkering down in the tent soon to play some board games.
That's the plan.
Hold them up for the camera, sir. Good job. We caught something this weekend.
Nice healthy fish too.
Not for lack of trying. Beautiful. Chris just got himself a fish. We've been trying all weekend to catch something. I mean, we're definitely not experts, that's for sure. But he got himself a nice bass. We're gonna keep fishing for a little bit. Hopefully we get something. It isn't actually cold out, but we're bundled up just because of the black flies. They are brutal. I think we range in the thousands of bug bites as the group. So it was a buggy weekend for sure. But fun no less. We all had a good time. Here we are packing it up. Another trip in the books. And it's looking like we might get some rain. So we're trying to get out of town quick.
Little step.
Alright. Stay with us, Lee. Don't be powering on ahead.
I love it. They're like, yeah, don't power ahead. And they jump in and they're just gone.
I found, because my air mattress has like a built-in pillow.
Yep.
So I found if I put that at my feet, I was much more comfortable. Then I just used my pillow as a pillow.
Nice. I usually just use like a dry bag full of clothes.
Ah, yes.
You bring an extra pillow in there.
That is a wise decision. I can just basically picture us sitting at that site.
You know what? Yeah, this would have been a good sight to see that. Yeah.
That lunar eclipse last night, it would have been the spot. Haley? So if it's gonna rain, at least it's raining on the way out. Yeah, I could take this all day. You want to give me some paddles? Then you can carry something else. Poking me?
Yeah.
You trying to tickle me?
I was trying to stable my.
Oh. There, I did it there. Hey Pat, how do you love your high-end rain gear?
Designer.
That's it. And the trip is done. We're coming into the dock and jump in the truck and go. We get some good food on the way home. We'll see. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye.